Welcome guys, today I am with the Bose 700 headphones and I will show you how you can pair them with your laptop. Okay, so first of all we have to focus on the right headphone. Right here you'll find the Bluetooth button and also the indicator in this place next to the USB port. So what we have to do, simply click and hold this Bluetooth button until this indicator start blinking on the blue. And you will hear the voice notification that the device is ready to pair for another device. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. Okay, as you can see right now it is blinking on the blue, and we can put them back close to our laptop. Go for the Bluetooth settings. So open the settings right here, go for the left side, select Bluetooth and devices, click to add device and select Bluetooth. As you can see, that's our Bose headset. So we have to click once and select. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.